library of finest stock media collection to date. Access more than 100,000 ultra high quality stock media for a one-time fee. Humongous library of 100,000 premium stock media. Stock media blowout is not just huge but also big on quality. These stock media are cherry-picked, and the quality will blow your socks off. Unique. Other stock media libraries promise millions of stock media, but one thing they did not disclose is they are using API to fetch those stock media from free stock media site. Stock media blowout is unlike those. All the stock media in this library are unique and self-hosted in our own server. Massive selection. You will find 4K stock videos, 4K special effect videos, HD actors, green screen spokespersons, green screen assets, HD stock videos, conceptual pictures, ultra creative stock images, 4K motion graphics, HD motion backgrounds, images that focus on human as a subject, and many more high quality assets. Agency rights included at no cost. Use these high quality stock media to create amazing contents and sell them for 100% profits, or use them in any of your clients' project with zero restriction and collect easy profits. Stock media blowout is a humongous library of more than 100,000 unique premium stock media assets and graphical resources. Ranging from 4K Ultra HD stock videos, 4K Ultra HD motion graphics, 4K Ultra HD special effect videos, HD actors, niche green screen spokesperson, premium assets for green screen project, HD stock videos, conceptual images, people stock images, HD motion backgrounds, and many more all ready to go for you to use in any of your project. Plus agency right is included, so you can use these outstanding stock media to create beautiful contents that you can sell to your clients or use them in your client's project and generate unlimited profits. Library of professional spokesperson videos spoken by experienced actors and actress covering high-demand popular niches such as cleaning service, handyman, personal trainers, computer repair, photography, and many more. All spokesperson videos are formatted with green screen backgrounds, so you can key them out easily and place the spokesperson on top of any background easily. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. This is a collection of generic green screen spokespersons. These generic scripted spokesperson are perfect for all occasions. You can use the on your confirmation page to thank your visitors for subscribing, as confirmation message, and many more. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. This is a unique library of HD actors all ready to promote your product/service. You will get access to real actors/actress in all different postures such as anger, business celebration, business discussion, dancing, phone conversation, and many more. All the actors/actress are generic in their posture, making them perfect for all occasion. You can place the actor/actress on top of an office background to create office setting, place on video of a mall to illustrate shopping, and many more. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. The perfect green screen toolbox is the perfect toolkit of various assets that you can use in your green screen project. You will find very unique assets such as 3D advertising, CTA phrases, Facebook-like animations, transitions effects, comic animations, studio backgrounds, speech bubbles, and many more. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. These 4K stock videos the future. They are format in 4K ultra high resolution, giving you extremely rich gorgeous details to every bit. There are more than 1,800 4K ultra high definition stock videos in this library. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. Library of stunning motion graphics format in ultra high definition 4K resolution, giving you insane high quality crisp details. There are more than 600 of some of the finest 4K HD motion graphics in this library. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. Library of hundreds over special effects format in 4K ultra high resolution format. You will find special effects such as smoke, flame, rain, and a lot more that you can use them as green screen effect to bring that special effect in your project, use them as background and many more. The awesome part is they are in 4K Ultra HD resolution, giving you unparalleled details. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. You will find total of more than 700 motion graphic transitions in this library. These motion graphic transitions are formatted in high definition resolution, giving you more than sufficient details for use in any resolution required. They can be used in green screen project, as transition in video, presentation, slideshow and a lot more. These gorgeous motion graphic transitions can be keyed out and integrate perfectly with any of your work. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. In this library you will find all sort of alluring motion graphics covering themes like abstract, light effect, 3D moving polygon, wave effect, and many more. These motion graphics are format in high definition resolution, giving you the details you need to all your viewer. There are more than 1,200 motion graphics in this library. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. Library of finely picked thousands over finest stock videos in list of organized categories and themes that cover nature, business, animals, birds, entertainment, sunset and sunrise, trees, and many more. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. Collection of more than 3,000 high-quality audio files that comprise of full-length music tracks, music loops, ambience tracks, intros, outros and sound effects. Asterisk, please note only a few assets is selected for preview purpose below. Stock media blowout is included with hundreds over thousands unique stock media assets. Shine. These cut-out pictures are super unique. They are specially cut out so are with transparent background that you can place them into any project easily and they will integrate into them perfectly every time. And you get more than 10,000 of them from this library. They are also formatted in high resolution, giving you fine details. From portraits to snapshots, this striking collection composes of more than 20,000 images that focus on the human subject. These images are creativity taken, giving you some of the most spectacular shot on us as human blending in with the world. Not only you will find some of the most spectacular shots in this library alone, but all images are also richly keyworded and organized into list of categories, making it super easy to find the next image you need. This is an explosive library of more than 30,000 ultra creative images. These are not your ordinary images, but rather a library of highly imaginative images distributed into categories with creative titles that you can use to express your ideas. These 5,000 high-definition unique backdrops are specially picked and great for various applications, such as using them to create different unique scenes, as green screen backdrop, video, presentation, and many more. This unique library of more than 10,000 conceptual pictures is packed with extensive list of conceptual emotions and ideas such as happiness, growth, love, anger, and many more that you can pick to express your idea and create any situation. This giant library of more than 15,000 vector graphics that cover hundreds over various categories. The vector graphics are also scalable, allowing you to scale them with its included SVG file to any resolution you want without scarifying the resolution of the image. Sum up of what you will get with stock media blowout. Thousands over alluring HD motion graphics. 3,800 plus HD stock videos in various categories. 3,000 plus audio files that cover full-length music, music loops and more. Full agency rights included. Use these stock media to create contents that you can sell to your clients or use them in your client's project. 10,000 plus cutout pictures in various themes. Massive library of 30,000 plus ultra creative stock images. More than 10,000 unique conceptual pictures. Unique, all stock media are self-hosted, we don't using API to fetch free stock media from free stock media sites. Get access to these 100,000 plus premium stock media for a one-time very low fee now. You got nothing to lose, buy with confidence with our ironclad 30 days money back guarantee.